Hello. What happens if you do not masturbate for 40 days? What kinds of changes occur in our body? What happens inside our body? Many patients come to us and say, "Doctor, if we stop masturbating for 40 days because in our youth or childhood we masturbated excessively, we feel weakness, fatigue, guilt, and shame. So if we stop masturbating for 40 days, will this weakness go away? Will all our organs return to normal?" Let's talk about this in detail today. Hello. My name is Dr. Deepanshu Gupta. I am a senior consultant in urology and andrology at Cordstone. Let's begin today's video. First, we need to understand how semen is formed and what controls it. Sperm is produced in our testicles. From the testicles, it moves toward the urinary passage. Along the way, fluids are released from two glands, which we call seminal fluid. When this fluid mixes with sperm, semen is formed. Now, who decides how much semen will be produced and how much will not? This process is controlled by parts of our brain. From there, hormones such as the hypothalamus and pituitary hormones are released, which regulate sperm production in the testicles and the production of seminal fluid. If someone has done excessive masturbation in the past, or continues to do so, it simply means that these organs have been working a bit more. But this does not mean that masturbation causes weakness, drains protein from the body, or makes the body weak. That is completely false. Saying this would be like saying, "I listened to too much music so my ears got damaged," or "I ate too much food so my eyes became weak." Masturbation involves a normal body organ, and even if it is used more frequently, it does not cause harmful effects on the body. Now let's talk about what happens if you suddenly stop masturbating for 40 days. Suppose you were exercising heavily and suddenly stopped completely. What would happen? 1. You may experience strong cravings. 2. You may find it hard to focus, and your mind may repeatedly think about the same thing. This happens because masturbation releases dopamine in the brain, which is also called the reward hormone. If you are excessively stimulating your brain with dopamine through masturbation and then suddenly stop, the brain does not receive that reward. As a result, the brain may feel disturbed. You may experience intense cravings and may struggle to control them. In cases of excessive masturbation, people often fail when they try to stop suddenly. Therefore, quitting masturbation abruptly is not the right approach. The correct method is to reduce it gradually. For example, if you are masturbating 5 or 6 times a week, do not stop suddenly. Slowly reduce the frequency. After a few days, reduce it to 4 times, then 3 times, and gradually reduce it further until you can stop. That I always advise my viewers to move toward normal sexual activity instead of masturbation. Masturbation is not a natural process in the true sense. It is a bypass of normal sexual activity. Our body is designed for normal sexual relations. Masturbation is not a good habit, so try to minimize it and free yourself from it. Subscribe to my channel. We regularly make videos on men's health. Also, follow our Instagram channel. Thank you.